Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate social advertising with Facebook ads, beginner guide step by step clearly. To automate social advertising with Facebook ads, you first need to set up your Facebook Business Manager account. Visit business.facebook.com and click Create Account to start. Fill in your business details and confirm your email. Once your Business Manager is set up, navigate to the Ads Manager. Click on Create to start a new ad campaign. Choose your campaign objective, like brand awareness or conversions. Set your campaign budget, specifying whether it's daily or lifetime. Next, define your target audience based on demographics, interests, and behaviors. You can use Facebook's audience insights to better understand your audience. Then, select your ad placements, either automatic or manual, based on where you want your ads displayed. Move on to create your ad by selecting the format, such as a single image, video, or carousel. Upload your creative assets and write compelling ad copy that captures attention. Make sure to include a call to action to encourage engagement. After reviewing your ad, click Publish to launch your campaign. To automate, go to Automated Rules in Ads Manager. Create a new rule by defining the conditions for your campaign performance. For example, you can set rules to increase the budget if your ads are performing well. Save your automated rules for ongoing campaign management. Regularly check your campaign analytics to ensure everything is running smoothly. Adjust your strategy as needed based on performance data. With these steps, you can effectively automate your social advertising using Facebook ads. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.